Your clients are investing in video, but are you showing them the full impact? Turn scattered YouTube data into one clear story with AgencyAnalytics. A unified dashboard highlights exactly how your agency drives engagement, views, and conversions. Let's walk through how it works. Open your client's profile and head to YouTube in the side menu to start exploring performance. Watch time, views, subscribers, engagement, it's all here, laid out clearly to prove ROI without digging through native reports. Use the date picker in the top right corner to focus on daily activity or track long-term growth trends. Track subscriber growth over time to highlight how the audience is building, and instantly see gained versus lost subscribers. Monitor average view duration, estimated minutes watched, and viewing frequency to see how well videos are holding the audience's attention. Do I still have your attention? Perfect, because what's next is where strategy meets insight. Take a closer look at traffic sources to understand how viewers discover the content, whether through YouTube search, suggested videos, external sites, or embedded players. This tells you which strategies drive discovery. Dive into engagement to measure likes, dislikes, comments, and shares over time, and get a clear sense of how content resonates. Go deeper into demographics to sharpen your strategy. Break down viewers by age, gender, device, and geography to uncover who's watching, how they're watching, and what resonates most. Go beyond the standard metrics with the Insights feature. Spot anomalies the moment they happen, forecast future performance, and surface hidden patterns, automatically generated from YouTube data. Whether it's a sudden drop in views or a spike in CTR, Insights flags it instantly so the team stays proactive. Next, take it a step further with Ask AI. Simply ask, which videos drive the most engagement, and surface the answer in seconds. No manual digging required. Use it to generate instant recommendations, uncover underperforming content, or pull client-ready takeaways in plain language. Want the bigger picture? Blend YouTube data with 80+ other integrations like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, and build a holistic view of performance in one place. Tailor each dashboard with drag-and-drop widgets or fast-track setup with agency-ready templates. Give clients seamless, on-demand access to their YouTube videos inside the dashboard. Recent uploads, views, comments, and likes all appear in one place without leaving your white-labeled interface. Finally, schedule automated reports that land directly in your clients' inboxes, keeping them informed while freeing the team to focus on scaling results. Turn YouTube data into clear, actionable insights your clients trust. Start your free trial with AgencyAnalytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.